Hello guys, how are you today? Hello guys, hello. Hello guys, welcome. Welcome to my channel. How are you doing? Can you put your name? Where are you from? Like my channel and subscribe. Guys, hey, JJ Hot Dog. Yo. Hi, Alt News. Hi, how are you? ATK News. Hi, how are you doing? Hi, JJ Hot Dog. Yo. Hi, guys. Welcome everyone to my channel. How is life today for you? Are you all enjoying this weekend? How things are going? I'm live from US, from my home, after work, messed home. Oh, everyone's doing the same thing. Guys, how are you going to celebrate your weekend? Completed shift, Mohit. Yeah, Mohit. I'm good. How are you doing, Mohit? Mohit, you are from US, India. Where are you from, Mohit? Mohit Narang. No. I know. I'm from. I'm in US now. Yeah, I can show you outside. Hey, JJ Hot Dog. Hi guys. Today I will show you something different. So we'll do a different exercise today. I have anatomy. It's a human anatomy. Okay. So it's a plastic doll, but we have all the body parts in it. I saw it very interesting, so I bought it from Target. Yeah, so I'm from India. I got Italian. Oh, nice. How was that? I from India and I got Italian. Nice. You are in Italy, JJ Hot Dog. Nice. So, guys, today what we are going to do is this is anatomy. Let's name this is Tony, and it's okay. So this thing, it's got all the things. This is a human, all the bones. How many bones you have? Like almost 207 bones, something. It's 206 bones. It's a skeletal system is there, and we have different objects and like nervous system. It's not explicitly there, but it's shown there. and we have the respiratory system. All the things are there. So yeah, I will take a tool with me and show you guys. So um, guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome. Kindly put comments, and we are going to do a different exciting thing today. Weekend in US. I think India also there is a weekend. Guys, comment my channel. So this is a human anatomy. I don't know how many members know. This is like a anatomy is a biological term. So all the human like bones and everything is there, and I have something this thing which doctors use. Guys, okay, we will remove this thing. Okay, I'm going to be doctor. So yeah. So guys, we are removing this. Okay, guys, we have removed it. Oh, nice. So this is a muscular system. This is how our things are. Like it's a hand. So like for any organ, for we have like muscles. It's called muscular system. So it the muscles are the things which are above the bones, and they connect with all the organs, and they have tissues, cells, and all that stuff. So this is a muscular system. And then so guys, so this is how it looks. This is a cover. It will be like this, and once I removed, it came like this. Okay, so it sounds interesting, right? Okay, this is a skull, man. Like skull, our human skull. Can guys can compare me and skull? Okay, smaller skull. So everyone has this. So this is skull, guys. We are going to take an important part. Yeah. Oh, it's very exciting. Okay. Oh, oh, nice. Guys, this is brain. See? You can see this is how the human brain is. Guys, this is made exact replica of a like a human beings, and like it's made. This is the brain. This is a brain has got multiple things, like it has got central nervous system, prefrontal cortex, and multiple things. I am not a doctor, so okay, this is what makes us happy, sad, and all the reactions, love. So this is brain. Okay, and yeah, again I'll show this thing, our the human like anatomical piece. Guys, this is the skull, as I told you. Yeah, so at some point of time in our life, we will also be, we won't be no more, and like our body parts will be like this, guys. Guys, I forgot to assemble how it has to be assembled. Oh no. Okay, so I don't know. It's very complex, guys, how God would have assembled us. Okay, let's leave it. Okay, so we have seen now brain and skull, as you have seen, brain and skull. And next we move on to the ribs. So this is the rib cage. This is the rib cage. This rib cage protects us from all the external things to all or important organs. What are the important organs? Like heart, lungs, and all that stuff. So this is the rib cage, guys. So you can see, touch, and feel our rib cage. This is what it is. Okay, so next we are moving to the next part, guys. Okay, this is an important part. Oh, it's very small, guys. This is heart. Heart, we have studied about many things. Heart is a organ that keeps us alive. It pumps blood all across the body, and it takes it takes the means impure blood or the deoxygenated blood, and it gives to the lungs and purifies it, and again it circulates. So it's a kind of pump which was started. It started at the birth, or it started at the home stage, and then it will be running pump till we die. Guys, just imagine the miracle of God, a pump which doesn't shut down, entire things it runs. It's a miracle. We have to thank every single miracle of the God. So this is called cardiovascular system. So it's like the same replica they made beautifully. It's a heart. Okay. Okay, moving on to the next part is the esophagus. Esophagus is the like food pipe, wherein like when we eat the food, this goes through this pipe through peristalsis. Oh, hi Compa. Hi Compa Films. How are you doing today? Enjoying? Okay, I'm just explaining this human anatomical plastic thing. So, guys, kindly share this thing and maybe subscribe it. I'm just explaining about this little human anatomy, just like my understanding. I was explaining about this food pipe. Before that, I was explaining about this brain. So, see, guys, this is the brain, small brain, and then skull, and yeah, rib cage which is covering our lungs. Yeah, so yeah, we were talking about this esophagus thing, like the food pipe. As we eat the food goes through this and goes to the stomach. So the beauty of this thing is it pushes the food through something called peristalsis. Like even if you stay upside down and eat the food or water, it takes the food to the stomach because due to the peristalsis movement. It's one of the wonders of the God. And in between, when the food is going on, the same passage is used for oxygen, like from the to the lungs. So what happens is that like whenever the food goes, there is a small valve that closes. See how today we are talking about so many automation systems, so many controls, so much things, but God's automation, like it's like from the years, God is so much intelligent, like before and after, something like that. Oh, I don't want to go on psychology things. So just we were talking about, guys, new guys, welcome to my channel. Guys, we are talking about the human anatomy. It's just a basic, common layman understanding things, how our body is, just basic things. This we are talking about food pipe, the pipe which takes food and then takes to the stomach through the peristalsis movement. Before we're talking about the brain. This is small cute brain, and then we talked about heart, and we talked about the rib cage. Yeah, just to tell the old means the new guys. So guys, welcome to my channel. Kindly like if you like this. Kindly like, subscribe. Okay, so next our operation begins to the next part, which is any comments? Which part we are going to see? Guys, be active, guys. Come on, guys, comment on it. Like, please, guys, comment. Subscribe, guys. Okay. Guys, you're not commenting. Guys, you don't have energy now. Get activated, guys. Yes. Okay. Guys, can somebody tell what is this? Guys, can somebody tell me what is this, guys? Guys, this is the small replica of lungs. Um, so as you know, this is called respiratory system. So the respiratory system takes the air from our nose, and it makes the deoxygenated blood to it feeds the oxygen to the blood. Oh, nice. Thank you. So this is not stomach. This is lungs. Okay. See the shape. This is like this. Backside, if you see. So it covers like this. Like it covers like this. The shape you can see. This is lungs. So it takes the air and it purifies the blood. The purification of the blood is done by lungs. Okay. So the purified blood goes to the heart, and then this purified blood goes to the heart, and then heart circulates the blood into the entire body. And then, yeah, so that's the function of lungs, guys. New guys, welcome to my channel. We are just discussing about a basic of the human anatomy. Like, we have a small toy wherein, like, all the body parts have been put in a small miniature way. Like, we are discussing about brain, we are talking about heart, and yeah, and lungs we were just discussing. Okay, and moving on, yeah, compa race, we will take the stomach. Okay, you were telling about the stomach, right? Yeah, so this is the stomach, guys. Can you see this little thing? This is the stomach. Okay, so these body parts are put as a promotional. If someone gets stabbed in the lungs, will they die for sure? Yeah, it depends upon the intensity of stab, how they have stabbed, like whether the stab is so hard it pierced everything, or it can be savable. So doctors can only say it. So, guys, this is the stomach. So the food pipe takes the food to the to the stomach, something like this. The food is going through this food pipe, and then it goes to the stomach. Okay. So what happens when we take the food? The food when we take, it goes through the like tongue and teeth, and it grains. So a beautiful concept. If you see, when we the digestion starts at the food, like digestion starts at the mouth itself. So mouth gives some kind of acids, which digest the food. Okay, so another beautiful thing have studied in one of the book, which tells there is a some hormones or some kind of thing which is there in the mouth, which triggers the stomach. This is the food coming to you inside, so ready that chemicals for the digestion. So it's an amazing God's wonder, guys. Uh, there is a system in the tongue or mouth which makes this thing active, and tells the stomach to get ready for it. This is what it does, and it goes and the digestion happens. It gives some chemicals, and it digests the food and takes the minerals and all the stuff, and then it goes to the next system. Guys, can you tell this thing? Anybody? Why do we taste in our mouth? Why do we have taste in our mouth? Because to know good food, spicy, chili flavors, or cold, hot, and sugary, whatever. So to understand the taste, God has given us taste. Compa, thanks, Compa. You are being very active in the chat, guys. Come on, interact, ask questions, guys. I'll try to answer with my knowledge. I'm not a doctor. I'm just a basic person. I'm just trying to learn things, share things, and I'm alone in US, so trying to make friends, trying to understand your perspectives, trying to interact with new people. Yeah, guys, for US guys, it's a weekend. Even India guys, it's a weekend. Okay, coming back to the topic. So, this is what, guys? Anybody? Yeah. So, this is small intestine and large intestine. So, guys, um, so yeah, this is the large intestine through which the food from the food food passes from the stomach. Yeah, this is also can be taken out, guys. See, this can also be moved, and yeah. So yeah, so the food from the stomach passes through uh, the passes to the large intestine, and takes the minerals whatever is required. So that's why, guys, we should take this. Yeah, you're right, Kompa. You're right. So that's why, guys, we have to take some probiotic, we have to take yogurts. So I studied in one of the books, they contain some kind of bacteria, some good bacteria, bad bacteria. These good bacteria are more in the probiotic food, like yogurts, so which absorbs a lot of minerals and makes our you know absorbs the more nutritions. That's why when like visually if you see the poop, if it's solid and all that, then the digestion, food and everything has gone good. If you see the poop liquidy or too much hard, if the poop is too much hard, then you can understand you have a dehydration, you require water. And if the poop is too liquidy, there is something in the food which caused you not digest properly in either large intestines or small intestines. Okay, so this is the part intestines which digests the food and takes the minerals. So for a normal adult, we require at least like 2100 calories of food for the energy required for the body. And then we require different minerals. We can see in the Google how much calcium, protein, potassium, and different micro nutrients are required. So we have to see in our food all the things are included, like balanced diet. Okay, this is what, guys, just to recap, we were just talking about brain, we spoke about heart, we spoke about lungs, we spoke about like earlier the muscular system, like it's a muscles. And then yeah, now we will be talking about our which system. So we will be talking about kidneys. So this is the guys. This is what it is, and this is the renal system. So your body needs in nutritions to have energy. So this also like some stuff we cannot use, like some stuff we cannot use. Kidney filters all the unwanted chemicals or substances in your blood, and which filters and it takes out, and it excretes the urea is nothing but our urine, like yeah. So kidney is the most important thing. It's like a bean shaped organs. Exactly, if you see, it will be like here backwards. Oh, sorry guys, like it will be backwards. So kidney is a very very important organ. Oh, did I did I broke it? Oh no, okay. It's fine for you guys. I will be doing anything, man. Okay, so guys, this is kidney. This filters all your blood, and it excretes urine. Okay, so then guys, there is one more system which we need to be aware of it. So and I think there is yeah, I'm going through it. um, this is a diaphragm. This diaphragm comes behind the kidney, which cause like saves. Yeah, okay, kidney stones. I think the kidney stones. I'm not a doctor again. Like, so the kidney stones are formed by some kind of crystalline structures when we have a lot of dehydration, when you don't take much water, or you have some substances which can crystallize as a stones. Are they made from too much sugar? Might be that might there are many causes. If you go through some kidney stones in Google, it will tell about many causes. So one of the things is dehydration and not taking proper water times. And guys, and other things are the bones. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay, these are all different bones. The largest bone they call as femur, which is a leg. This bone, yeah, we can take all the bones, you know. This is the bone, guys can see, and yeah, I can take one by one bone. Like you can also see, this is what you have in the leg in a small. Yeah, I will use this instrument. That's very friendly. Yeah, this is one of the bone, and this is the toes. Oh, Toes I cannot remove, guys. So you can see this toes. And yeah, so these are the bones which protects kidneys and all that. So guys, this is a very very important part is the spinal cord. The spinal cord is like a most important thing. Guys who are sitting in the office most of the times, be careful of your posture. How you sit in a chair is very 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 important, because you have to sit straight, and a little bit posture, improper posture can make you back pain, can make a pain here, and that can be a very difficult thing. And spinal cord, this connects all the bones, all the neural systems. Have you broken any bones in your body? No, I'm not broken, man. I'm good. You can see me. I have all the bones properly. Good. Thank you. Nice questions, Compa. I really like you. Okay, so yeah, I will show all the bones for Compa. This is a bone in a hand. This is also another bone. Yeah, okay. And this is bones from the fingers. Oh, I think I don't showing. I'm not showing properly. Okay, I'll show you guys. Guys, welcome to my channel. Kindly share, like. Guys, 10 members are there. You're not liking. You can give each one like. You can make me 10 likes. So this is the hand bones, guys. Like, so imagine this is a hand and this is the bones. So miniature form of bones. Bones, as you know, made of calcium. Teeth is also mode of calcium. So we have to see that our food gets all the micronutrients which is required for our body. um yeah, almost, yeah, one important thing we have missed in all this complete thing. Can any one of you tell what is the important thing we have missed today? There is an important organ we have missed today. I'm not discussed yet. Any of the guys, new guys, welcome to my channel. We are discussing about the human anatomy, like human body parts. Like there is a toy, I got it from Target. It's like all this organs in a miniature. Like this is the lungs, and this is the stomach, and this is the heart, circulatory system. This is the brain. Guys, old guys, just for the new guys, I'm just explaining. This is the brain where you think, where you react, where you get angry, where your hormones getting created. This is where dopamine gets created. Guys, can you anyone tell about what is dopamine? I'll tell you. Yeah. So this is brain. So just fun fact: dopamine is a hormone which gets created like when you get do anything successful. Like it may be a small thing, like you make up your bed in the morning, or you completed a trail. You yeah, pleasure. Yes, of course. Compa, you have been nice. You know many things. You're so knowledgeable, man. Like yeah. So the dopamine gets created when we carve something and we succeed something, and when we take something nice, like maybe a cold drink, a cola, or maybe a burger, which tastes good. Like it creates dopamine. It's guys, as long as this dopamine is created with natural things, it's really good. Don't ever go or stick to alcoholism or drugs. That will spoil your life. That will create more dopamine, but again, that's an addiction that should not be done, and no one should do that. Why do we have toes? Oh, nice. Why do we have toes? So he is asking a very good questions. Why do we have toes? So this is the human body. Oh, some bone fallen, man. Like yeah, this is the bone we have fallen. Almost we dissected everything, guys. We have broken all the bones of the body. Okay, this is the human body, and we removed it and we tore everything. Like we you can see here, like I divided all the parts. So guys, yeah. You can see this, guys. Maybe the new guys can understand all the parts. Yeah, bones. Guys, we have taken a human body and we divided into parts, and we are just explaining here. Yeah, we were talking about the dopamine. So the brain secretes a hormone called dopamine, which makes us crave to do something in life, run, happiness, sadness, and all that. This is dopamine. And so there are some people who do dopamine fast, like they will be silent for several days, or like it's like controlling a body thing. I've studied in some of the book, but I don't know whether it's true. Like if you take some kind of a soda which is very sweet, and you have it, like you get a dopamine crush. You take a dopamine rush, like your body feels good and you feel very nice. It can be for anything, like it can be a beautiful thing you see, or beautiful things you experience. You talk to some beautiful girl, or you achieve some nice things in the life, so which creates a dopamine rush. And once the dopamine rush is created, and once it falls after 1 or 2 hours, the dopamine will fall. So at the time we'll feel sad. That's where we our moods gets changed. Suddenly sometimes we feel we will be getting angry. You don't know why we are getting angry, man. Why I'm getting angry? So many times we would have experienced, like, why I'm getting so much angry. Have you guys experienced this thing? Guys, comment on it. Have you guys felt someday, why are we feeling so much angry? The answer is this: this organ makes a hormone called dopamine, which makes these things our life miserable. So, what some people, like gurus or some yogic people, Taoist people, they do is like dopamine fast. Like, be calm, even for the happiness or sadness. Keep our mind calm, like irrespective of life is taking us a higher, happier thing or sadder thing. Keep our mind calm, happy, no matter whoever leaves us, no matter whoever comes to our life. Happiness and sadness to keeping in a limits and controlling our life. So yeah, I deviated the topic. Sorry, guys. So we're talking about this organ called brain, which makes us think, which makes us everything. Like, this part of this brain has got so many memories, and from the childhood, there are people. Doctors who've been researching about the brain, still they have not understood how the brain stores the data. Guys who are from computer science background or from electronics, you'll know how the data is stored in electronics. It's on chips, it's on like transistors, zeros and ones. But how the brain stores the data, no one knows. Only God knows. Like, you can imagine every day, like every 14 days or every month, all the cells in our body gets depleted, gets out of the body, gets excreted. So just imagine, so every month the all the cells are getting depleted. Then how the brain remembers everything? Some people are telling, like, guys, all the new members, welcome to my channel. We are just talking about the human anatomy, like human body part. This is small miniature brain, and we have miniature heart, which is cardiovascular system, and we're talking about stomach, how the digestion happens. We spoke about the kidney, and we missed one of the organ, and I'm just waiting. People are not telling about the organs, and this is the lungs, and we have got bones. How these different bones are organized. You can see this. Oh, sorry, I cannot catch this. I'm not a doctor, guys. I'm just a normal person. See, these are the spinal cord. I was telling about how important the posture, sitting posture. Guys, many of you guys may be working with sitting in the chair for many hours or something. So be mindful of the posture. Always, be sit straight, and like if you sit in an improper posture, that may result in a kind of back pain. Many people are experiencing that. Yeah. So yeah, we were just talking about this brain thing. So all the data is stored in brain, and every month we got all the cells depleted out, excreted out. Then where is the information stored? How the brain stores the information? No one knows. Body is full of mysteries, full of miracles. Make sure. Yeah, sure. Kampa, thank you, guys. Thank you, Kampa. Guys, kindly like Kampa is telling. He likes the thing. So kindly, guys, this gives me a motivation to study a lot of things and explain things. It's just my weekend, my shift got over, and I thought, okay, let's talk about something, man. Like, let's share the things and sub up. Yes, subscribe, guys. Thank you. Subscribe, guys. Sure. So yeah, one as I told, one organ we were missing. That's a very very important organ. That's called, anybody, guys? This is liver. Okay, liver. Liver. Yeah, just liver has got fallen. Yeah. Oh, okay. So liver. Why the liver is very very important? Because liver is an organ, maybe a small organ, which creates hormones which are required for the body. So all the things, like you might have had that sugar things, like diabetes things. So this all causes due to the non-functionality of the liver. So liver health is very very important, guys. So we there are so many things we can do for the liver health, which I will talk in the next videos, upcoming videos. But as of now, the liver is an important organ which takes care of your hormones in the body. So we need to all the so what it talks about exactly is, okay, other system, endocrine system. So endocrine system, it regulates the hormones and regulate the metabolism of the body. It's required for every day, and it also takes care of the like endocrine system is a very very important system. Body has got so many hormones, and body is kind of engineered. When I was going through this thing, I was just marveled about these things, like how God has created our body, like several organs which are created in our body, like respiratory system, so like heart, brain, and all the stuff makes us a human body. And so we should be happy about, guys. We are today healthy. We have a life to enjoy. We are breathing our best of the oxygen. We are happy. We are on the roof, guys. We should be happy about it. Just cheer, guys. When you are happy, when you're enjoying your life, just put a thumbs up, like the comment, put a like comment, guys. So yeah, so this is it, guys. Like this is as we discussed, this is a human body prototype, and we discussed about the several organs. There are 206 bones in our body, and this is a thing which I was referring. It has got several things. I will just read for you. The skeletal system, which contains 206 bones that support the organs inside. They connect to the ligaments and joints. If you see, there are bone joints. Like there is a bone here, there is a bone here. How this kinds of joints? It's because ligaments. So you get sometimes joint pain. Why? The ligaments are getting means it's not, it's getting tired. So you should see which foods or fruits, vegetables you should have more, and the healthy food you should have. So guys, and then is muscular system. There are hundreds of muscles in our body which is classified into skeletal system, smooth, and cardiac. You see different muscles in our body. One muscle, if you see, it will be harder, one muscle will be smoother, softer. Imagine, guys, this all human body has got from one cell, one sperm drop, one egg fusion of it. We were all very 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 small, like they are telling in a one part, 1/10 of a millimeter. That's the size we were in the mother's womb. From that, it has developed into the bones, into the organs, into the lungs, and all that stuff. We should be very, very happy about our body. Yeah, hi Padmavati. Nice to have you. Thank you very much for joining. I think you're joining from India. It's so late in India, but still you joined. Thank you very much, Padmavati. Guys, just give a like. Uh, so we are talking about this human anatomy thing. Padmavati, you lately joined, so I'll just tell you. We were talking about brain. It's like a small toy. I got it from US Target. It has got all the body parts. It's proportionally shaped, so it has a small brain, which is removed from the skull. Oh, skull is moving. Okay, sorry. It's okay, yeah, skull. And then we talked about rib cage. We talked about spinal cord. We talked about muscular system, and we were talking about this liver now, endocrine system, and all that stuff. So yeah, so we are talking about the skeletal muscular system. So skeletal muscles are connected to your bones with tendons, the rough, tough tissues to transfer the force. Smooth tissues are found inside the organs. So the smooth tissues are found inside the organs like stomach, intestines, and blood vessels. See, guys, God has created such a beautiful body. These smooth muscles protect us from the impact, like when we somebody falls or somebody pushes. So these organs are not affected by a particular impact. Like if somebody falls from the building, that cannot be done. But if somebody falls from a smaller distance and all that, God has created a protective mechanism inside our body. Guys, like, guys, share, guys, subscribe, guys. So guys, I think guys are less. So guys, you if you enjoy, put thumbs up, subscribe my channel. And guys, you want to talk know about anything, any of the system, human body system, something, I will study about it, and I'll put in a next video, guys. What do you wanted to know, guys? You wanted to know about nervous system, cardiovascular, digestive system. Guys, like, guys, subscribe, guys. Guys, no one is there. Just put some thumbs up, comments. Sure, guys. So this is what we have discussed today. And guys, be hydrated daily. Have at least like if you tell in US, you should have a gallon of water. Or like if you tell in India, like you should have at least 2 to 3 liters of water. So water is very important for hydration, because 90% of our body is composed of water liquids. So water is very important, especially people who are having harsh summers. Body will ooze out liquids, and which can cause dehydration, which can cause multiple things. Okay, so guys, water consumption of water is very important, and sleep is very important, guys. You should have at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. And yeah, guys, even I cannot follow that, but still we need to try to do that. We have to have a quality of sleep, like we talk about REM, deep sleep. So you can have a watch to track these things. Like at least daily have a 20 to 30 minutes of active lifestyle, like cycling and all that stuff. That will be very much helpful, guys. Guys, I think yeah, we can close it. So some one person is watching now. Again, it's so that's it, guys. We were talking about a human anatomy. We talked about several parts of the body. We talked about lungs, stomach, heart, kidneys, liver, different bones, and muscular system. So let God bless us with good health. Let God give us happiness. Be a nice weekend to enjoy. Please be safe, guys. All the family members, keep them safe. Be happy. Life is a happy journey. No matter who comes in life, who leaves in life, or no matter we are happy today, sad today, or whatever it is, like just thank God for creating this beautiful human body without us asking. Yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for having this time. Yeah, so yeah, thank you guys, thank you for joining in. Yeah, we were just talking about the human anatomy, guys, for the new guys. So we are talking about the human anatomy, like bones, heart and kidney and all that stuff. So guys, next video I will talk about the individual organs, and I'll try to explain it again. Guys, I'm not a doctor, I'm just a biology student, you can see. Yeah, so I'm trying to learn something and give this knowledge to you guys. I think my language is clear to you guys. Guys, comment on it, like and subscribe, guys. Yeah, guys, we'll see you next time, guys. Thank you, love you all, guys. Thank you.